Are you looking for the best automatic waste baskets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best automatic waste baskets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. TIPGO Touchless Bathroom Trash Can. The TIPGO Touchless Trash Can offers a modern solution for waste disposal. With its advanced infrared technology, the lid opens automatically when you approach, making it perfect for those with mobility issues. Its slim design fits seamlessly into tight spaces, enhancing your room's efficiency. The snug lid effectively traps odors, ensuring your space stays fresh. Plus, the removable fixed ring keeps the garbage bag securely in place, promoting a tidy appearance and easy bag changes. This smart design combines convenience and cleanliness for any home or office. What we like: touchless operation, space-saving design, odor containment, neat bag placement. Number 2. Pukomc Smart Sensor Wastebasket. The Pukomc Sensor Trash Can offers a convenient, hands-free solution for waste disposal in your home. Its advanced motion sensor technology allows the lid to open automatically when you approach, making it easy to toss in waste without touching the can. The lid closes after 5 seconds of inactivity, ensuring a hygienic environment. This versatile trash can is perfect for small items like food scraps or paper waste, and it complements any room, from the kitchen to the bathroom, thanks to its stylish Nordic design. With its compact size, it saves space while enhancing your decor. What we like: hands-free operation, automatic lid closure, stylish Nordic design, versatile for multiple rooms. Number 3. MUEE 3-gallon Automatic Motion Sensor Trash Can. The MUEE Motion Sensor Trash Can offers a touchless experience, using a smart sensor that opens the lid automatically when you wave your hand over it, keeping things hygienic and easy. It features an automatic suction system that holds the trash bag tightly in place, so you don't have to fuss with adjusting it. Its compact size fits well in small spaces, making it ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, or offices. Made from durable, waterproof materials, this trash can is simple to clean and built to last, even in humid environments. Overall, it's a convenient and smart waste solution for your daily needs. What we like: touchless operation, automatic bag suction, compact design, waterproof and durable. Number 4. FRESHLIX 2.6-gallon Automatic Bathroom Trash Can. The FRESHLIX Touchless Trash Can is a compact waste bin perfect for small spaces like bathrooms or offices, measuring just 9.3 by 6.2 by 12.6 inches. It runs on 2 AA batteries, making it easy to place anywhere without worrying about cords. Made from durable plastic materials, this trash can has a smooth surface that's simple to clean, helping you keep your space neat. Its airtight lid is designed to lock in odors, so unpleasant smells stay contained. Plus, with a one-button mode that keeps the lid open, you can easily toss in multiple items without waiting for it to open each time, making snack time or cleanup more convenient. What we like: compact size for narrow spaces, durable, easy-to-clean material, airtight lid to control odors, one-button continuous open mode. Number 5. MOPUP Automatic Motion Sensor Trash Can 3.5-gallon. The MOPUP Motion Sensor Trash Can offers you hands-free convenience with its smart sensor technology that opens the lid when you wave your hand or knee nearby. It runs on 4 AA batteries, making it easy to set up without cords. Thanks to its vacuum system, the trash bag stays tightly secured inside, saving space and preventing messes. Its 3.5-gallon size and narrow design fit well in small rooms like bathrooms or offices, while the lid helps keep odors contained. This trash can makes disposing of waste quick, hygienic, and simple, especially when your hands are full or dirty. What we like: hands-free sensor operation, vacuum-sealed trash bag fit, compact 3.5-gallon capacity, odor-controlling lid design.